Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Ms.Shelia with Ms.Shelia DIYs. I'll be bringing you another decorative wall set. Hope you enjoy this video. These are the items that you'll be needing in order to complete this project. So here you'll see where I'll be gluing tumble blocks together using my wood glue together, and I'll be making it gluing a set of 8 together for each side. And here you see I'll be taking the mirror apart, and I'll only be using the frame. And here with my hot knife, I'll be cutting the frame in half. By the way, this can be bought at Walmart as well. Here I have some smoke gray looking gemstones that I'll be using, and as I showed you in my previous video, I'll be using my hot soldering tool to forge holes in between, and I made the holes big enough so that the wire can go through them. Again, these are smoke gray gemstones I've got from 99-cent store. And here again, I'm showing you how I take the paint off of the cord, the wire that I'll be using, and I'll be painting it black. Okay, here I'll be taking the party squeaker, taking off the shingles from it, and I'll just be using the mouthpiece, and I'll be painting that metallic silver. Here I'll be adding my black diamond wrap to my design. Again, this is the 8 sets of tubes glued together. Okay, here you see where I completed adding my gem wrap to my column, and you see also here at the ends where I left those ends open in order to make sure that when I get ready to glue the frame to the column that there is no issue with connection. And again, I'm using hot glue to connect my columns to the frame. Okay, now that I have the columns wrapped with gemstone, I'm now getting ready to add my frame to the design, and I'm wrapping it with silver pearl gem wrap. And here you see where I'm gluing the frame to the columns. Again, you can make these as long as you would like. My preference was to have 8 sets of tubes. And now I show where I'm now wrapping the squeaky toy mouthpiece with the silver pearl gem wrap. Adding a little glue to keep it together. Okay, so what I've done here is I took a tumble block and I cut it the height of the base and glued it down. This is where I'll be putting in my stem for my decoration, and I'll be gluing it down. I also painted those black, and now you see where I am now adding the stem in, and I'll be gluing it down as well. And again, another reminder, do not put a lot of glue into it, the stem at once. It is plastic and it will melt. Now I'm adding my wires that I previously painted black into the design. Here you see where I'm starting to add my smoky gemstones and my pearls to the design. I spread out the cords just to make sure that I'm getting enough room where I glue to the top and bottom of each gemstone. And with the pearls, what I do is just glue a little glue at the bottom of the hole, and it tends to hold them. Again, top and bottom of the gemstone. And I'm showing you I'm decorating it from the back so that I can make sure when I do see it from the front I have a general idea of what I want it to look like. So the back is where I start decorating. Sorry about that. You'll see here where I'm still adding my smoked gemstones and my pearls to the design. Okay, always remember to cut your wire longer than shorter. You can always cut it if it's too long, but if it's too short, then it may interfere with what you had in mind for your design.